Hello and welcome, this is Paul Photography with episode 14 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today we will concentrate on a low-key shot to create a very strong image. At first we will use just one light source and then we will add another one. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with a single lighting technique. I put the grid to my beauty dish and place it above my model as if she's taking a shower. So the light just hits her and I get a black background. Now ask your model to look up and send strong mimic. Let's go! I'm very lucky that my model is creative makeup artist Ella Cafella, who painted this lovely kind of warrior face today. After some shots I decide to try a second light source. So I place my strip light behind her to highlight the hair and contour. Pop! And this is your low-key shot.